Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset over typing to default. So if you're using over typing on your phone while typing, and you discover that you've mixed up with the color combination or the position of the over typing, and I want to reset back to default, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset over typing to default settings, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. And once you open the settings app, you need to scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page until you get to accessories. And under accessories, locate and click on keyboards and typing. Once you selected keyboards and typing, go ahead and click on over typing. There you go. Then scroll down, you should say reset to default. To reset your over typing settings back to default, just go ahead and click on reset to default. Once you hit reset to default, you're going to see reset. Reset over typing settings. This will reset all over typing settings to their default settings. To proceed, just go ahead and click on reset. And then you should see everything reset back to default. And if you go back to your messaging app or SMS application, then you try to use over typing, you're going to see everything reset back to default. So that is basically how to reset over typing back to default. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.